With both thruster props turning the right way, it was time to drop the little Regal in the water and try it out. After a little quick instruction, we wanted to capture Vanessa's first impressions. You've owned this boat for how many years? How long have you owned it?
Last year I got it.
Is it your first boat?
Yes.
I've
never boated before.
How was it parking the first couple times?
It was absolutely awful. I had to move docks because I had a hard time docking it by myself.
Yeah, just try spinning it.
Oh, cool. And then I could go the other way too?
Any way you want.
Oh, there it goes. Look at me going in. Oh, wow.
This wouldn't be as much fun if it was calm.
No, it's so true. I think you needed the wind to really get the full experience of what it actually can do. It literally just made boating so much easier. Like, this is so cool. I can't believe it. Like, I'm in shock right now. This is too cool. I would have avoided this area of the marina at all costs before this.
You want to come back here and I want to show you something?
Okay.
There's another little accessory. Remote lanyard.
You're kidding.
You can operate your thrusters from the back of the boat. So if you needed help from someone who could see back here, like Mike or whoever,
right?
You can hand them the lanyard.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
And try it out.
Are you serious?
Go ahead, give it a shot.
Oh wow. Easiest docking ever.